USDJPY at an important level of resistance. Look at it right here. Can this resistance from here make the market move up? We're going to see the market from this very point break out and begin to move all the way to the upside. And if you look at the Euro USD price chart, there is a bullish divergence that is not confirmed on the chart right now. Look at it right here. Market is sloping downward on the price action, and on the indicator, market is moving upward. This is a clear bullish divergence. Let's discuss all of this and many more in detail in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. You can join the forex channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free group. Right here on the USDJPY price chart, you discover that the market has been on this very level of resistance for about a week now. And from this very point, I believe that the market have two scenarios, and one is very important because we are still in an uptrend market. So from where the market is right now, I am expecting that the market retrace, okay, 70%. I am expecting the market to retrace, and that is what you must have to keep your eye on. Market from here move upward, impulsive move, retracement, market move, impulse, and right now market have capacity of coming back down before the next move to the upside. So 70% I'm expecting the market to come back down, while the other 30% I'm expecting the breakout to happen right at this point and a little movement upward. Why? If you look at the history of this very price action, you see that there is a very important level of resistance right at this very point. We have a very critical resistance right here. So there is this possibility that the market can move into this resistance and take out liquidity from this very point before coming back down. And that is very important. So if you trade the USDJPY price chart and if you trade the 1 day or 4 hour, you must pay attention to this. So market have that capability, 30% of moving from here after a breakout, enter into this very area of important resistance, which is a very key resistance we've seen in the past, and then begin to come back down. So once liquidity is taken off the market will begin to come back down for a good retracement before continuation again all the way to the upside. So this is very important to all of us that trade USDJPY. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is coming out of overbought condition right here, which is also a sign that market is going to come back down, because what this means is that the momentum of the market is shifting to the bears. Market should come down, bears should have more momentum. That is what this indicator is saying. Market should come back down into the oversold condition. However, if you look at this very indicator, you discover that it's just crossing the 80% line right here, and the cross below this line means that the market have capability of coming back down, which means the price chart have capability also of coming all the way to the downside, as you can see right here. And this is what you have to pay attention to and keep your eye on right now if you are on this very price action. If you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that there is not crossover yet between the MACD line and the signal line right at this point, which means markets still have capability of moving upward a little bit. That is why I talk about that 30% market can break out of this very level of resistance and begin to move into this level of resistance, and then we'll see a liquidity grab around this area before market can begin to come back down again for a retracement. And this is what we need to keep our eye on right now and watch if we are on this very price action. If you look at the MACD indicator as well, you discover that market is still at the positive side of the MACD, which means market have capacity of dropping a little bit here, retracement, and then continuation all the way to the upside. So even though we see this very retracement coming into the market, remember continuation is still going to come into the market except price action tells us otherwise. And this is what we have to watch right now if we are trading this very price action. If you look at the 4-hour chart, there is no structure breakout yet. Market have not broke structure. Market move all the way from here. Impulse retracement, market is having dull momentum within this very zone. So if you look at this very point, discover that the bulls are gradually losing momentum at this area. So what I am now looking at for on the 4-hour chart is for market to break this level of important support. Once that breakout happens, then we can be very sure that the market is going to come back down for that very retracement. So pay attention to market coming back down, and after a breakout here, market is going to come back down for that retracement before continuation is going to happen in the market because of this reduced momentum we've seen from the bulls. Reduced momentum right at this very point, reduced momentum right at this very point compared to what we see right at this very area. Okay, so market reducing momentum means that the bulls are gradually going off the market and the bears are gradually coming into the market, which means the bears will soon take control of the market very, very soon. And this is what we need to note and understand right on this very price action, USDJPY price analysis. And if you look at the Euro USD price chart, you discover that there is a divergence already on this very price action. And if you look at it critically, no confirmation yet have been on this very price action. I talk about this very divergence when the market was at this very point. Market formed a divergence at this very area, which is a very little divergence, but the market did not have the second confirmation that we needed. And right now, another divergence is here again, which we need to focus on and keep our eye on as well. So two confirmation that is needed for this divergence to play out. And the first one is we want to see the MACD histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD. That is, the MACD histogram should start formation on this very positive side of the MACD with green bars. That is the first confirmation for us to confirm this very bullish divergence and to be very sure that the bulls are going to take control of the market all the way to the upside. So that is the first confirmation that we need on this very price chart. And the second confirmation is on the price action, which is a breakout of this very resistance trend line. Once market move upward and break out of this very resistance trend line right at this very point right here, then it is a guarantee that this very divergence is going to play out. If we do not see this very confirmation, then it means that this divergence is not confirmed yet and we need to wait for that very divergence to occur. And that is very, very important. So pay attention to this very breakout on resistance level and the formation of the MACD on the positive side. This is the two confirmations that you need for this very bullish divergence to play out on Euro USD 1-day chart. And this is what I am keeping my eye on right now. For you to take a buy position on Euro USD, please wait for this very divergence to play out on the 1-day chart before you can take any position, because this is going to make the market move upward once we see that very confirmation. And this is very important to all of us. But if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, Euro USD, it is covered that the market is already moving upward just a little bit, this very movement. And what that means is once we see the market go above this very level of important resistance right here, it means that the market is going to move upward. Okay, that is, if we see the market move upward from here and break this level of resistance, creating a new high, the next retracement will be a good entry point for the market to continue this movement upward. Remember, as at that time, that is when the market move upward, create a new high at this very point, that divergence on the 1-day chart will be confirmed. And once that happens, then we see a pullback or a retracement. After the retracement, then we can enter for the market to move upward. And this is very, very important if you trade Euro USD. And the divergence on the 1-day chart is also super important as well. Keep your eye on this for you to be in the right direction of the market next week of trading. USDCAD analysis. From this very point, resistance right now, very clear on the chart, but it discovered that the bulls still have strength pushing the market upward. That is what I'm looking at on this very chart right now. Market failed to have a significant retracement all the way to the downside. What we're seeing right here is consolidation. What it means is we need to pay attention to a breakout, okay? Once a breakout occurs, then market is going to move upward, and that is what you need to keep your eye on right here. A breakout is very, very important. So this very area, market should break out with a significant bullish candle. Once we see a breakout of this very level of resistance right at this very point, on this consolidation, that breakout is going to make the market to move into this very resistance right here, which is a resistance that have happened previously on the chart. So expect the market to move upward, approaching this very level of resistance. Okay, this is what you must have to keep your eye on. If we see that very breakout of here, market is going to move upward into this before it will begin to come back down. And this is what I am now paying attention to on the USDCAD 1-day chart. Pay attention to these guys on the 1-day chart USDCAD, and also 1-day chart Euro USD and 4-hour chart, and USDJPY 1-day chart and the 4-hour chart. This is very important so that you be in the right direction of the market as we enter next week of trading. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you want to watch my video on how to trade resistance properly, resistance trading course that will change the way you trade, check this video right here. And if you want to watch my Fibonacci trading course, it's a full course discussing Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, how to draw them accurately on your chart. Check this video right here. It's going to help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.